Rohde and Schwarz NGL power supplies feature a 5-inch display with a high resolution of 800 by 480 pixels. It delivers the industry's first capacitive touch in its class. What's the value of a large high-resolution display? Easily enter values. With the capacitive touch, activate safety functions, just like on your mobile phone. With more than 3 times the number of pixels than other power supplies in its class, see additional setting detail and information, like statistics and limits. Power supplies with lower display resolution simply can't do this.